Wagwan YouTube, it's your boy Click Man. We're back with another video for you guys. Today we're gonna be reacting to the 50 worst moments caught on live TV. If you really think about it, sometimes, man, like it's live, so you make one slip, you're sliding, you're done. You know what I mean? So I expect these to be some funny ass scenes, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, comment, all that good stuff. And we're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.
The players falls from a height over the floor, which wasn't planned.
Oh. Ow. Yeah, I'm suing.
The female anchor tumbles and falls over while she
Oh,
was
shit.
recording live on TV.
Shit. Didn't teach her how to break her fall?
A guy pees in his pants while he was in a discussion with a group
What
of
the
people.
Bro, you a grown man. Just get up and go. Like, it would have looked weird that you ran off set, but I promise you, this looks much more weird.
I realized we were on TV.
Go ahead, Lindsay.
No.
You can calm down for a moment and I'll talk about it.
I'm just gonna.
Oh, no. Oh, man.
Hey, I have a bucket list thing. Can I do the weather? Can I do?
The host loses her cool when the audience didn't listen to her instructions.
Oh my god.
Could you please have quiet in the studio? Quiet, please. Fucking shut up! Thank you.
A bear attacks the reporter while she was reporting. Luckily, she was safe.
Пушовая — это медведица мать. Она большая сладкоежка и никогда не отказывается от кусочка сахара.
That boy aged. Oh, wait, what? He was actually trying to attack her. Okay.
The fitness instructor did some silly actions while the host was watching them in shock.
So I guess girls do shit like this.
The news reporter was unaware that she could be seen on the screen dancing.
Smooth and with no artificial sweeteners. Yogo 0% yogurt is a perfect balance of good taste and
While the lady was
That's
singing the
embarrassing.
song, she slips from huge
Oh,
plastic banana bags and goes down the stairs. The two reporters get into some nasty conversation live on TV.
World Cup. And Belinda, I just can't understand how something so small can be so impressive.
Well, Mark, you would know about that.
The camel gets back on his feet abruptly while the two men sitting on it fall over.
Oh my god. That nigga's neck. That nigga in the white neck is
The
done.
female falls down and hurts her knees.
Oh shit. Man, I don't know how girls walk in heels. Them shits are dangerous.
The lady walks toward the place where guys were sitting and trips
Oh.
right in front of them.
Oi.
The news reporter was
Those
seen
hurt.
sitting in an embarrassing position live on TV.
18 e poi alle 20. Grazie per averci seguito. Una buona giornata a tutti.
Ew.
The host tries to catch something when he was sitting on a sofa and falls.
Bro, I never, from high school days, I knew. Don't take back in no chair, man. Yo, that shit will make you feel like you're falling out of a
During a
cliff.
program, a
Off the
blast
cliff.
takes place, leading to the host leaving the show.
I'm out. I'm out too. What the fuck? It's not like she just heard the blast. She felt that shit. I would be out too. Anybody would be out.
The host tries to scare the person in the costume, but tumbles and trips during the live show.
Them heels, man.
The female pulls up her skirt and lets the host hit her multiple times on the butt.
What the fuck? That's some weird TV.
The man pranks a woman and throws her in the water pool while they were live on
Pranks.
TV.
That ain't no damn prank. You ain't
The
pranking
drunk
me like that.
reporter tries to misbehave with the actor and in return gets slapped.
Oh. Oh shit. I should not slap him that hard.
An anchor gets hit on the back of his head by a bottle during a protest.
Oh, he has a oh, fuck.
Some guys throw buckets of water and juice on the player, but he suddenly jumps out of the place and the reporter gets
Oh,
socked.
no. That is shitty. Oh, they're gonna have to give her some of that baseball gear.
During live recording, the man tries to stop the recording and also threatens the reporter live on TV.
Do not touch him. Turn that camera off, sir.
Yeah, but she's touching him first.
Walk away.
Sir, turn that camera off. Get away from my reporter.
I'm not near her. She's behind.
Sir, you do not touch the camera. What is wrong with you?
Listen, you. When are you leaving?
Sir.
When are you? That's what you are.
The weather girl unintentionally draws a hilarious object while she was updating about the weather.
No way. Nah, she got fired.
The reporter gets hyper and starts abusing live on TV.
A homophobic twat. My name is Jonathan Pye, and that was the fucking news.
Oh shit, Jonathan.
While the new anchor was reporting, her artificial tooth comes out of her mouth.
Де виявили ковід, напередодні виїхали більшість відпочивальників 10 липня. Перепрошую, під час планової перевірки тест на ковід дав
That's
позитивний.
The
embarrassing.
player gets mean with a reporter in a foreign language. The player during a press conference makes fun of a very
Muller.
famous tennis player.
Yeah, we in Bayern, we have Robert Lewandowski. You know, Robert Lewandowski.
A man in a wrestling costume appears and makes hilarious sounds when the reporter was busy reporting.
These people are so stupid.
The host was
Okay,
congratulating
thank
the
you, sir.
players when he falls in the swimming pool.
Oh my god.
Sarah Vasey, Adam Peaty, Sean Marie O'Connor, Ben Proud, and James Guy. Congratulations. Oh, I didn't see the step. Sorry about that.
Oh, you good?
The reporter starts shouting when he sees a fly in front of
Bro,
his face.
why is he acting like he's dying, like it's a dragon?
What is that? That's because it's hot outside. Stuff like that happens. Was that live?
That's so embarrassing.
Oh, brother.
The guy was sitting on a stool when it breaks, and the guy
Ow.
luckily doesn't get hurt.
Oh,
Okay. You couldn't see because he was behind you over here.
Are you all right? Part of it?
Part of the trick?
Are you okay?
that's a little weird, bro.
A man picks the woman in his lap and tries to throw her into dirty water.
I'm just going to put Kate in the
Due to heavy wind, the umbrella keeps slipping from the reporter's hands while she
Oh.
tries to finish reporting.
כנראה להם משלמים קצת יותר כסף כדי לעלות
I mean,
ולשחק
you
היום.
need a stronger umbrella than that, man.
גם אם לא יודו בזה, יודעים שהם פייבוריטים במשחק הזה, ואיך יודעים את זה?
Just take the
לפי
umbrella
הדברים
from her.
שאומר אוסקר גרסיה, השחקנים
The male reporter hardly controls his laughter after listening to his colleague's hilarious story.
He used to like to take the big fat rubber end of my vibrating toothbrush and put it in his mouth and he'd just kind of sit there like, oh yeah, that feels good. That hits a spot. My gums are...
The
Bro,
news
she knows she
reporter
was done.
stops reporting when he sees a beautiful girl passing by.
Λοιπόν, ακούστε κάτι. Ναι. Μάλιστα.
Man's probably married
The
too.
female reporter gets knocked by a cow passing by.
Bro, you didn't see the cow coming along to move yourself out of the way, lady?
शांत है कौन देगा इसका जवाब मामला गंभीर
Get your ass out of here, cuz. That's my block.
Yes.
The cameraman gets hit by a cow that came in between live recordings from nowhere.
Move your block. That nigga was moving. She was moving at some pace. Yeah, he was getting lead no matter what. That cow
The
gave no
host,
fucks.
trying to catch the balloon, falls
Bro, I
off
told
his
you
chair.
the shit with leaning from chairs. Don't do that.
The anchor falls down while she was taking an interview from a person.
Oh, fuck.
What are your favorite places to go in Tiger? Look at this guy. He's just like chilling here.
I'm soaking up Tiger. Oh, Nina, dear, are you okay? There's a step right there.
Don't forget to